Hello everyone, our mini marketing campaign for Apple is called Connected to Your Life. This campaign targets Gen Z and young adults, which is university students, content creators and tech-savvy consumers who value convenience, productivity and lifestyle integration.
The objective of this campaign is to increase awareness of Apple's ecosystem integration. We also want to strengthen Apple's image as a lifestyle ecosystem, not just a technology brand.
The key message of this campaign is everything you use should work together effortlessly. The campaign shows how Apple devices connect easily in our daily life, such as starting tasks on iPhone, continue on MacBook, while our AirPods and Apple Watch is synced automatically.
This campaign applies perception theory as a concept theory. Apple create perception of premium, modern and user-friendly, which increase consumer trust and purchase intention. Apple also reflects on someone's identity and lifestyle to represent modern image.
The tagline is everything's work better together. That's Apple.
Baby, tell me, how did you get so